Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Allie and I'm here documenting the process of building a homestead from scratch, but most importantly, raising a family. In today's video, I want to take you guys on some of the awesome bike rides we've been taking as a family. My parents put together a pretty interesting little caboose for our little girl. I think what this thing is actually intended for is if somebody wants to ride their bike and bring their dog along. But of course, my parents had to MacGyver it, and they put an old car seat in this little caboose, and now my baby can join us on family bike rides. Or lake. We've been going around and cleaning up the property a lot, and we cleared a big space so that we can have a fire to burn a lot of the dead wood. Chance is on a mission to clear the entire property of any and all privet. The weather is finally getting colder, and it's the perfect morning for a fire. Chance is going to start breaking up this pile of wild blackberry vines.
Who knows how long this pile of stuff's been sitting here. This is so crunchy. Just dead, crunchy. Look at that. To tell the people, when we bought this house, this pile of brush was here already, huge pile. We just cleared the thorns out because I'm a chicken when it comes to fires. This is too big for what I think is safe to burn. Especially being in the woods, it's very dry, it's windy today. I am not comfortable burning this all at once. Allie's like, we should just burn it right there. And I was like, hun, this will be a bonfire, huge one. And let's at least kind of rake around, get clear around it, and do this safely. I'm not trying to cause a big old fire in the woods. And I'm not moving it very far. It's right over here, 20 feet away.
So he'll feed it with that pile.
I'm a conservative. I like to be safe,
Responsible. Your little girl woke up. Wow, hon.
clearing off this little fence.
Cool.
This cute little abandoned picket fence.
I love it.
Already working up a sweat out here.
Are you?
Oh yeah. Just think about like, who put this fence here? You know, it's so overgrown over here, and
It's in very good shape.
I know. You know, like what this little area look like? You know,
Yeah.
back when whoever put this here.
When do you think it was built?
Well, you know, the house was built in the 80s, but this somebody, very well could have been built before this house. So who knows? It could have been, there's that slab that's over there. We have no idea what that's from. That looks like it's older than the house. Because this could have been somebody's, I don't know, little section, a little farm section, or this could have, I don't know.
It could have already been a homestead.
Watch this. See all this like pine straw mixed with small sticks, which that whole pile was.
It's the pine straw that does it.
Yeah, but the small sticks mixed with it.
Yeah. Chance is finishing up harvesting the meat chickens today, as well as monitoring that fire over there, burning some of the brush. How's it going, hon?
Going good.
Somehow, in 20 years.
We only see 3 chickens left.
Yeah. My third one.
Wow, 3rd?
Yeah.
You're done, right?
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah, I gotta clean up.
As always, thank you guys so much for watching another video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.